how to schedule focus mode automatically on your iPhone. This feature lets your iPhone automatically enable a focus mode at specific times, locations, or when using certain apps, helping you stay focused without turning it on manually. To get started, open the Settings app. Then, tap Focus. Next, select the focus mode you want to schedule, such as Do Not Disturb, Work, Personal, or any custom focus you've created. Scroll down to the Set a Schedule section and tap Add Schedule. Now, choose how you'd like the focus mode to activate. You can select Time to turn it on during specific hours, Location to enable it when you arrive at a certain place, or App to activate it automatically whenever you open a selected app. After choosing your preferred option, customize the settings and tap Done, or simply go back. Your changes are saved automatically. From now on, your selected focus mode will turn on automatically based on the schedule you've created. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled focus mode automatically on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.